Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, let's go for the settings, scroll down. Right now we have to go for the system and updates, tap on the language and input, and select the keyboard, the default keyboard, so we have to go for the SwiftKey keyboard, tap on the themes, and we can download one of these themes that we have here, but I'm going for our theme that we actually got on the smartphone, and I'm going to change the keyboard for the dark. So click, tap on this marker, and as you can see it changed, and here we got the preview how it looks. And also we can custom the theme, so when you tap right here on the start, you will be able to add the image, and you will be able to set this image as your keyboard theme. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.